everyone, I'm Chef Suvarna from Mumbai and you're watching Amul Simple Homemade Recipes. Amul Homemade Simple Recipes, yes. I'm the patisserie chef. From last 15 years I have been working in the industry, and the Passionate Baker, it belongs to me, is going to open soon, and there I'm going to do a lot of baking and cooking activities. So just go to the website and have a look. I know the quarantine chal raha hai, people are getting bored in the house, but thanks to Amul, because you know the chefs are making wonderful recipes and हम लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं. So let's start with the production. The Amul real cooking. Okay, let's start with the recipe. I have 3 steps in my recipe. First step is ganache. Second में हम लोग caramel sauce बनाएंगे, and third में we'll make a mousse. आज मैं बना hazelnut mousse with a caramel sauce. So let's start with the production. I have this Amul cream. Okay, this recipe is very simple and things are very easily available. Amul के सारे products है वो हमें होते हैं. Dark chocolate, the chocolate, because the chocolate percentages are very important. I'm using the Amul ka chocolate. It is very easily available in the market. So when you're buying, always see the percentage, because percentage जैसे increase होता है वैसे उसकी कड़वाहट होती है, bitterness होता है, वो increase होता है. So always see this percentage and buy the chocolate. So let's boil this cream. When you're making a ganache, always keep in mind, you know, that after boiling, switch off the gas and add your chocolate. चॉकलेट को हमने चॉप करके रखा हुआ है. यू कैन सी दिस चॉकलेट. इट इज अमूल का चॉकलेट. इट्स अ प्योर चॉकलेट. इट्स नॉट अ कंपाउंड चॉकलेट. सो वंस द क्रीम इज बॉइल्ड and I'll add my chocolate. See, when the cream is boiled, it reaches to 80 degrees Celsius. So आपका जो चॉकलेट का मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर है, इट इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो आपको गैस बंद कर देना है एंड देन यू पुट योर चॉकलेट. When it starts bubbling, I'll add my chocolate. I'll switch off the gas because within that temperature, my chocolate will melt. I have been working from last 15 years and we always prefer the Amul cream because the cream is the consistency of the cream is too good. Always the ganache becomes light and thick and it gives you color. You can see when you're using the pure chocolate, you know the color always change, and when you use the compound chocolate, color always gets little lighter. So you can see my ganache, it's nice and it's creamy. I'll keep this aside for cooling. Yeah, so see, it's ready. I'll just keep this aside for cooling. Now the second. What is the caramel? Caramel is burning of sugar. Yeah. So I'm going to use, always I prefer to use the grain sugar for the caramel. If you have a caster sugar, you can use caster sugar also. I'm going to add little water in that so that my caramel won't be very thick. Around 2 tablespoon मैंने ये डाला है. चॉकलेट चॉकलेट गनाश के लिए जो चॉकलेट हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है दैट वाज 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ चॉकलेट एंड ऑलवेज इट्स 1:2 रेशो. सो 200 ग्राम हमने क्रीम यूज़ की है एंड 100 ग्राम हमने चॉकलेट यूज़ किया है बिकॉज इट्स अ प्योर चॉकलेट. यस, when you're making a caramel always keep that in a mind that caramel का हम लोग stir नहीं करेंगे ज़्यादा because if you stir it will crystallize. So ज़्यादा stirring नहीं करनी है. You can see the color is coming. The color will start coming from the sides. जब ये अपना what is the caramel? Caramel it's a sugar burn basically. So when it reaches to 170 degrees Celsius आपका caramel ready हो जाता है. तो caramel burn is always it's very bad. So when you're making caramel please take care of yourself. When it starts coming from the side से ये अगर छूटने लगता है, कलर आने लगता है लाइट ब्राउन, तो समझ लीजिए इट्स डन. देन यू कैन ऐड योर बटर एंड यू कैन ऐड योर क्रीम इन इट. सो आपको अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी चाहिए यू कैन ऐड लिटिल मोर क्रीम. आपको अगर थोड़ा बटर कम चाहिए तो यू कैन ऐड लिटिल लेस बटर. बट सम पीपल दे लाइक दैट बटरी टेस्ट. इट्स गेटिंग रेडी. मैंने पहले से ही थोड़ा सा कैरमल बना के रखा है. यू कैन सी दैट because hot caramel we can't use for our recipe. The color is coming now. For your pudding के लिए आपके desserts के can use this. Yeah, the color is started coming. इसको पूरा burn नहीं करना है. See the color is coming now. Yeah. My caramel is ready. It's bubbling. Let it settle this. I'll add my butter. This is Amul butter. It is a soft. Don't use the chilled butter, always use the soft butter. I'll add my Amul cream. I'm using 10 grams of butter and 15 ml of cream. If you want more creamy, you can add little more cream. If you want little more, buttery butterscotch की जैसे taste चाहिए, you can add little more butter. So my sauce is ready. You can see this. So we'll just keep this aside. Our things are ready. We are going to assemble now. Let's start. My recipe is dark chocolate hazelnut mousse. So what is the mousse basically? The mousse, it's very light and aerated flavored cream. See the chocolate mousse. Chocolate has many recipes. The authentic way of making a chocolate. What is the egg custard? So this recipe is eggless. This is the eggless version because it is the products what I'm going to use. It's very easily available and simple recipe for you all. So I'm going to use the Amul ka cream. I have added little icing sugar in it so that because this is not the sweet cream. This is normal cooking cream. So I have added sugar in this. थोड़ा slowly beat करना है इसे because always there are chances to get curdle. Amul has a whipping cream also, so you can use that whipping cream also. fill to your bowl and take it. I'll add my cold ganache into this. Then we'll add the hazelnut paste और फिर हमें इसे assemble करना है. It's very simple and I'm sure that you will like this recipe because whenever you have guests in the house or small party, you can make this glass. Gelatin also in this, or if you're vegetarian you can use agar-agar powder. See, it's getting wet. So it's semi-whipped recipe. It is not whipped because I'm going to use the chocolate ganache into this, and chocolate is itself it is a settling agent. So this cream is ready. Now we'll fold the ganache into this. If you can see the ganache is thick. If you always find the lumps in it, you can strain your chocolate. If you guys want to add any liqueur or any alcohol in this, at this stage you can add. This cream is around 100 gram. I'm going to use my hazelnut paste, the dark chocolate. So of course I will add this. It's yummy. Properly. आपको ये अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है. Make sure there are no lumps. Yeah, see, it's mixing. If you want to add any orange zest or the lemon zest, you can add at this stage. आपको अगर इसी में क्रीम डालना है, मैंगो डालना है या कुछ डालना है, another flavor raspberry if you want to put at this stage, you can add that. You can use Amul spread also. Now we'll it's on. Sorry for the network problem. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah. So we just, you can see this mousse. The chocolate mousse is ready. Sorry, there was a network problem little. Yeah. So I have used the hazelnut paste in it. I have used my caramel sauce जो हमने बनाया हुआ है. कैरमल सॉस आई एडेड, और जो क्रीम हमने यूज की थी वो क्रीम हम लोग. So now what we'll do, we'll assemble this in a glass. So if you have this nice and the decorative glasses, you can use these glasses always. So I'll just, if you want to set this ganache for a while, you can set always in the fridge. You can see the quantity also. I have used just 100 gram and 200 grams of chocolate, so you can see the quantity. Yes. Sponge, or if you get the muffins also, you can cut the muffins and pieces आप इसमें डाल सकते हो. Okay, so this is the ready sponge I have. Yes. Now I will pour my sauce in it. The caramel sauce जो है वो मैं pour करूँगी इसमें थोड़ा सा. The presentation always, it's very very important. So see the caramel, it should be always the dropping consistency. The sauce should be always dropping consistency. आपका अगर सॉस थोड़ा सा थिक हो गया है, यू कैन ऑलवेज ऐड लिटिल मिल्क ऑल्सो इन इट. दिस सॉस यू कैन स्टोर ऑलवेज फॉर अ मंथ. So this is the, okay. Now I'll pour my chocolate mousse, the hazelnut dark chocolate mousse. Again I'll put my sponges. कैरमल सॉस डालेंगे इस पर थोड़ा सा. Now the mousse is ready. Manage this. You can see I have this nice leaves. I'm going to use this mousse. I have this nice chocolate balls. I'll use this. These are edible. If you have the raspberries, strawberries in the season, if you have the mangoes, you can use mangoes also, because now it's in the season. I'll dust this cocoa powder on this, so it will look nice, presentable. I'm going to dust on the glass also this. So you can see this is the ready. It's ready to eat now. So if you have, I will show you this Amul chocolate nutty bar. I'm going to use this for a display. So see, the chocolate mousse is ready. The hazelnut dark chocolate mousse with the caramel sauce. It's ready. It is very simple recipe. I know you guys liked it because all the stuff what I have used, always it is available in. बना सकते हो आप इसे स्टोर करके फ्रिज में in a small to have a birthday party, kids का birthday party है या you know guest are in your house, you can make this. आप बना के रख सकते हो, खा सकते हो. Please कीजिए, टैग कीजिए. My Instagram ID is the passionate baker and the personal Instagram ID is